Welcome back to the research world. In this video, we will be discussing how we can automatically create the table of contents in your Word documents. So, let's begin. The only one thing you need to do is simply select the styles of your headings in the Word document. So, how you can do that? Let's see. For example, Introduction is the first heading of your document. So simply click on this introduction. Now, you need to tell the whole document that what type of the heading it is, whether it is a main heading, or it is a subheading, or it is a sub-subheading. So this is our, for example, main heading. So you need to click on this heading 1 style. This is the heading 1 style. Then 1.1 is the subheading of the chapter 1. So this will be considered as a sub-handy, and you need to click on the heading style. Similarly, 1.2 is again the subheading of the chapter first. So select it and click on the heading style 2. Now the 1.2.1, that is the before independence. This is the subheading after subheading 1.2. Now select this one and click on the heading select 3. In this similar way, you need to click on the another subheading, that is the heading style 3. Now select this one and click on the heading select 3. In this similar way, you need to click on the another subheading, that is the heading style 3. Now, again, there is a major heading, that is the chapter 2 literature review. So you need to click on the heading style 1 as it is the major heading. Now, the 2.1 is the subheading of the major heading. So click on it, and this will be heading style 2. And this is the subhead subheadings. So click it and click on the subheading style number 3. So you have in this way selected all the heading styles in every word in your whole document. Now you need to create the automatic table of the content. So simply click on the reference. Go to the table of contents and click on the contents automatic table 1. So you can see that this has automatically created table of contents for you. And the good thing about this automatic creation of the table of contents is that if you add something more in this Word document, for example, we are adding chapter number 3, that is the 3 research methodology. Now, you click on this chapter 3, go to the heading styles. This is main the heading number now. Go back to your main heading styles. Click on the update table and update entire table and click OK. So now you can see that this chapter 3 research methodology has been automatically created. Hope this video will help you in automatically creating the table of contents for your Word documents. Please subscribe and press the bell icon if you like my content. Thank you.